Welcome to the Mental Toughness by Coach P podcast. Our podcast goal is to bring you information and inspiration on achieving your full potential. Our podcast comes out every week on Wednesday morning. Each episode focuses on developing the mental toughness to succeed in life, business, and athletics. We define mental toughness as the ability to move forward under pressure. We will discuss how to use the 5 P's to developing the mental toughness and help you prepare to find your dream job, establish lifelong goals, and develop the mental performance to succeed. I'm Coach P, Jim Pusateri, and I have 30 plus years of experience helping others develop their mental toughness so they can achieve everything they want in life. I have developed several startup companies from the ground up, along with being a business and physical education teacher and a head football coach at the high school here in Florida. I use all that experience to help others move forward towards success. My passion is to educate and inspire people to reach their full potential. So let's get this podcast episode started. Well, welcome to the Mental Toughness by Coach P podcast, now in its 6th year. Good morning to you out there, Move Forward Nation of listeners. Hey, this is Coach P, Jim Pusateri, your expert source on how to establish the mental toughness to succeed, the ability to move forward under pressure. In the next few podcasts that we put out, folks, we're going to be addressing many topics on mental toughness. A lot of stuff that you can get in our book, which is over on Amazon, Mental Toughness by Coach P. Hey, I thank you for downloading this most recent episode of our podcast. This is episode number 1446 in our 6th year. And today's topic of discussion, habits that build mental toughness over time. Yes, we're going to talk about 15 different habits that will help you build your mental toughness over time. You know, mental toughness, the ability to be able to move forward under pressure. First of all, I'd like to tell you about the 3 P's. The 3 phases of achievement, which we call them, the 3 phases of achievement are passion, goal setting, and mindset. You need to master all 3 of those areas in your life if you want to achieve everything it is that you want to achieve in this world. We've got 3 great master classes out there. You can get them by hitting that link in the show notes below to help you through that. Passion, finding out what you love to do and making it your career so you never work a day in your life. Goal setting, the written blueprint for your life, the step-by-step process to achieve your wildest imaginations. And number 3, mindset, a growth mindset. It's mental toughness, a lot of what we're talking about today. Habits that build mental toughness over time. Remember, folks, we got a free booklet we put out there. It's called The 5 P's to Success. It'll help you develop this mental toughness. You can get it by hitting that link in the show notes below. Today's topic of discussion, habits that build toughness over time. As I said, we're going to bring you 15 different habits that will help you build your mental toughness. And it doesn't happen overnight, folks, but what we got to understand is it's not something you're born with. A lot of people believe that. It's not. It's something that you obtain, something that you acquire, something that you learn. Habits that build mental toughness over time. Building mental toughness is a journey. And consistent habits play a major role in strengthening that journey. We're going to give you some daily and weekly habits that can cultivate mental resilience over time. Because that's what mental toughness is. It's the resilience to get through the pressure situations. So number 1, you should start each day with a purpose. Set an intention or a small goal each morning that aligns with your broader objectives. This could be a productive task, a new challenge, or simply staying calm under pressure. Starting the day with a purpose helps build a focused mindset. We tell you all the time, folks, give yourself action steps for your goals, break them into smaller tasks, 1 to 5 tasks a day, and make sure you're completing at least one of those tasks a day. That's your purpose, to get yourself closer to achieving everything it is that you want to achieve. Number 2, practice gratitude daily. Write down 3 things that you're grateful for each day in that journal. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's present, fostering a positive outlook that's crucial towards mental toughness. Number 3, take cold showers. Yes, folks, each and every morning I get up, I take a cold shower. Cold showers can build tolerance for discomfort. This simple, brief daily habit helps you practice staying calm and controlled in an uncomfortable situation, which can strengthen resilience over time. Number 4, set daily micro challenges. Do something small every day that's slightly outside of your comfort zone, like speaking up in a meeting, trying a new skill, or pushing yourself in a workout. Constantly facing and overcoming discomfort prepares you for the bigger challenges of life. Number 5, focus on controlling the controllables. Practice letting go of the things that are beyond your control. Each day, remind yourself to focus on what you can influence, whether it's your effort, attitude, or response. This habit helps reduce stress and anxiety over things outside of your reach. Number 6, read or listen to inspiring content. Start or end each day with a podcast, a book, or an article about resilience, growth, or mental strength. Hearing others' experiences with overcoming adversity can be motivating and provide practical strategies to apply to your own life. That's why we want you to listen to this podcast each week. That's why it comes out every Wednesday morning. But we also have our words of encouragement, the 1-minute videos we put out each day to help you stay on track, to get you moving in the right direction. So you're reading and listening to inspiring content. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube station. It's Coach P, Jim Pusateri. There is a link in the show notes below, and get those 1-minute videos each and every day. And also subscribe wherever you download your podcast. Subscribe to our podcast so you never miss an episode. Number 7, practice visualization and positive self-talk. Huge. Take a few minutes each day to visualize yourself successfully tackling challenges, achieving goals, and managing stress calmly. Couple this with positive affirmations or self-talk to reinforce your belief in resilience. Yes, folks. Hey, we talked to you about the 3 phases of achievement: passion, goal setting, and mindset. We have 3 great master classes. I'm going to take a short break so you can hear how you can obtain them classes yourself. We'll be back in a few moments. Are you looking to live an amazing life? A life full of motivation and fulfillment? Then you must master the 3 phases of achievement: passion, goal setting, and mindset. We've developed 3 great master classes so you can master those areas of your life. The first one is Dream Job, Finding Your Life Passion. This self-improvement master class helps you find your passion or your purpose in life and shows you how to make it your career so you never have to work a day in your life. The second master class is Goal Setting. This self-improvement master class teaches you a step-by-step process on how to establish lifelong goals and master these 3 phases of achievement so you can achieve everything it is that you want in this world. And the third master class is on mindset, mental performance. This self-improvement master class develops your mental performance. It teaches you that mental toughness that's needed to succeed, that ability to be able to move forward under the pressures in life. Learn to control your thoughts, and you will control your life. You can now get all 3 of these great master classes for the price of 2 just by hitting that link in the show notes below. For additional information on each class, you can also hit the link in the show notes below or look us up over at our website, which is inspiringthem.com, inspiringthem.com. Remember now, get your great 3 master classes for the price of 2 today. Hey, Coach P here, Jim Pusateri, back at Inspirational University, the home of the Mental Toughness podcast and book. Yes, folks, be sure to get our book over on Amazon. There is a link in the show notes below. Number 8, the 8 habits. Reflect on wins and areas to improve. Take 5 minutes each evening to reflect on what went well and what could improve. Acknowledge small wins builds confidence, while noting areas of growth keeps you focused on learning and resilience. Prioritize physical exercise. Constant physical activity like weight training, running, or even walking builds not only physical endurance, but also mental endurance. The discipline required in regular exercise carries over to handling challenges in other areas of your life. Number 10, schedule time for mindfulness or meditation. We tell you to, before you go to bed each night, to schedule the next day. Make sure you're scheduling some time in there where you can reflect. I usually reflect when I get home from my day, no matter what time that is. And I always ask myself, what went well today? What went bad today? What can I do to change what went bad tomorrow? A daily mindfulness or meditation practice keeps calm the mind, improves focus, and builds emotional control. Even 5 to 10 minutes can make a difference in strengthening your ability to stay composed under stress. Number 11, journal regularly. Yes, folks, I tell you all the time I carry a journal with me. I write down every thought that pops into my mind, negative or positive. If it's negative, I rewrite it in a positive statement, and I reread the positive statement 5 times throughout the day. Journaling can help you process emotions, recognize patterns, and build self-awareness. Embrace failure as a learning tool. This is a huge one. At the end of each week, review the mistakes or the setbacks and ask yourself what you learned. This habit reduces fear of failure and makes you more resilient, as you see setbacks as opportunities to grow rather than threats. Limit complaining and negative thought. Try going through a full day or week without complaining. Then extend the habit by focusing on problem solving instead of problems. You'll cultivate a proactive mindset that is essential for mental toughness. And number 14, use the one more rule. Whenever you feel like stopping an activity, whether it's an extra rep in a workout, a page of a reading, or a word task, tell yourself to do just one more. This habit teaches you to push beyond limits and builds mental endurance over time. Develop a consistent sleep routine. Quality sleep is the foundation for mental clarity and emotional control. Aim for a consistent sleep schedule, even on the weekends, to ensure your body and mind are well rested and ready for the challenges ahead. Each of these habits strengthens mental toughness by building discipline, self-awareness, and resilience gradually over time. These small but impactful actions create a mindset that's adaptable, calm under pressure, and unshaken by obstacles. Yes, folks, mental toughness. You need it in your life. It's the ability to move forward under pressure. Hey, as always, I ask you to pay it forward. Wherever you listen to this podcast, go ahead and send it all out through your social media. Let everybody know how they can gain this mental toughness, this ability to move forward under pressure. And if you've got something that you're struggling with in your world, something you'd like us to talk about, just reach out to me at my email, coachp@inspiringthem.com. That's coachp@inspiringthem.com. If you want to further today's discussion, go over to our community forum board or any of our social media sites. We love communicating, and we love helping you build that mental toughness. Hey, this is Coach P, Jim Pusateri, and my passion is helping others reach their full potential by moving them forward towards success, by helping them develop this ability to be able to move forward under all the pressure that life brings. So how can I help you develop your mental toughness so you can reach your full potential? Reach out to us today, folks, and let us know. But always remember, move forward, be resilient. Have a great day now. We are pleased to announce our book, Mental Toughness by Coach P, Jim Pusateri. Learn the ability to be able to move forward under pressure. It is now available on Amazon or wherever you purchase your books. This book is so important because everyone experiences death, setbacks, and makes mistakes in life. But most people let those setbacks and those mistakes frame the rest of their life. This book is here to help you move past those mental blocks and to learn how to use the 3 phases of achievement to obtain the success you seek. The book is available on Amazon or wherever you purchase books in a paperback or Kindle version. And be sure to check out our podcast, Mental Toughness by Coach P, which airs every Wednesday, wherever you download your podcast. Let's have a great day and let's move forward.